Millions of animal bones are discarded every year. Today, I'll show you how this waste is transformed into high-quality soap using advanced factory processes.
Watch out, coming through.
Make sure the density readings are consistent for this batch.
Noted. I'm logging them now. Looks like it's running smoothly today. Yeah, much better than last week. The pressure is holding steady, looks good from here. All right, keeping an eye on the outlet flow.
This refined fat becomes a key ingredient in soap production.
Fragrance and skin conditioning ingredients are added for a premium feel.
Chăm sóc đạt sọc răng phànยินสิ่งสมดับขับออกถนนแทบสั่นป้าพดเฉิมติงสาบจันสองจำ
And that's how animal bone waste is transformed into a smooth, premium soap bar, ready for everyday use.
Subscribe for more unbelievable factory processes.